If you want to add a blank screen in CapCut PC, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it in just a few simple steps. This is really useful when you want to create a pause in your video, add space between scenes, or use a clean black screen for text, transitions, or dramatic effect. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple CapCut tutorials, just like this one. Let's get into it. First, open your project in CapCut PC. Once your project is loaded, look at your timeline and move the playhead to the exact spot where you want the blank screen to appear. This is important because the black screen will be placed right at that point in your edit. Now go to the top panel and click on Media. After that, look at the left panel and click on Library. This opens up CapCut's built-in media library, where you can find different background options. Next, expand the library section and select Background. Inside the background options, use the search bar and search for black screen. CapCut usually gives you different black background options, so choose the one that fits your project best. Once you find the blank or black screen you want, drag it down to the timeline and place it exactly where you want it to appear. You can adjust the duration by dragging the edge of the clip left or right, depending on how long you want the blank screen to stay on screen. If you wanted to cover a specific section, make sure it lines up properly with the rest of your clips, so the transition looks smooth. You can also use this same method if you want a white screen or any other plain background, depending on the look you're going for. And that's it. You've now added a blank screen in CapCut PC. It's a very simple edit, but it can make a big difference in how polished your video feels. If this tutorial saved you time, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more CapCut tips, editing tricks, and beginner-friendly tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.